Friends, welcome back to my channel Basic Knowledge. In this video I am showing you the basic WebDriver methods for Selenium test cases. So these are the Selenium WebDriver methods. The first method is get. Get method launches a new browser and opens the specific URL in the browser instance. So let's get started. For this I am opening the Eclipse IDE. Here we are using driver.get method and sending the URL http://google.com. So as this method says, it launches a new browser and opens a specified URL in the browser instance. Okay. And our second WebDriver method is driver.close method. So close method closes the browser window which is currently in focus. Okay. So we run these basic 4 steps first. Okay. So we are using get and close method of WebDriver here. Let's see another methods of WebDriver. Get current URL. This WebDriver method is used to retrieve the URL of the web page that the user is currently accessing. As we are currently accessing https://google.com, so check it. For checking the current access of the URL and showing the output on the console, I am using system.out.println, and in this I am typing driver.getCurrentURL method of the WebDriver and run the test case. Okay. So after running the test case, in our console we are getting https://google.com, that is the current URL we are using. I am running the test case and say OK. See, we are getting the current URL that we are using. The next method is get title. Get title method is used to retrieve the title of the web page the user is currently working on. As I am currently working on google.com, I am getting the title of the browser. Okay, so check it. For this for printing the title of current URL, I am using system.out.println and passing the method of the WebDriver to it. Driver.getTitle method. Okay, and running this test case again. So I am commenting the first line, the above line, get current URL, as we are focusing on the title. Okay, I am running the test case. And as we are browsing to google.com and title is Google, can you see it? The title is Google. Our next method is get window handle. This method is used to tackle with situation when we are having more than one window to deal with. As we are focusing here for only one window, that is https://google.com. So to see the window address, this method actually is for us. Get window handle. I am commenting the above line, get title, and typing driver dot get window handle. and click on it. So this method showing you the window handle address of the Chrome. I am running the test case. The browser going to google.com, and this is the window handle, our window handle. As for our case, we are focusing on only one URL, that is google.com, and so we are having only one window. We are receiving the one window handle, but there are times when we are focusing on multiple windows, so this command is useful for that. I am commenting this line and going to next method. The next method is get page source method of the WebDriver. So let's try it. So what the method is used for? Get page source method is used to retrieve the page source of the web page the user is currently accessing. Okay. So system.out.println driver dot get page source, and running the test case. And we got the page source of Google, multiple lines of code here in the console. Okay, our next method is navigate to, loads a new web page in the existing browser window. Navigate to, okay. I am commenting this code, and as this method says, navigate to loads a new web page in the existing browser window. As our existing browser window is chrome.com, we are getting here chrome.com. So we are navigating from chrome.com to some another URL. So let's try it. Driver dot navigate to dot to string and passing the argument, say facebook.com, https://facebook.com. So after running this test case, our Selenium test case first goes to URL google.com, and then from the existing URL we are navigating this test case to facebook.com. So run it. So first we are going to google.com, and from the existing window, that is google.com, we are navigating to facebook.com. Okay. Our next step is, or next method is, find element by. It returns the collection of web elements. Okay. So let's try it. Before that, we are seeing the last method, that is quit method. Quit method closes all the browser windows and terminates the WebDriver sessions. Okay. Driver dot quit. It closes. I am commenting these lines and run the test case. I am not closing the test case here. So this window is showing here right now. Okay. And when I rerun it, the another window is showing here, and the window opens and opens until we do not write driver.close. Okay. So for this, next time when I run this test case, if I am writing here driver.close, then it closes the running test case. Okay, I am showing you. The next browser window opens here, and as I am saying driver.close, the running test case is closed. But if we want to quit all the running Selenium test cases, we want to close all the Selenium running test cases and previous test cases as well. So we use driver.quit and run the test case. So in that case, these two browsers and the running instance of the browser is all the windows are closed or quit. So quit method closes all the browser windows and terminates the WebDriver session. Okay. And next WebDriver method is find element by. So driver dot find element by. I am commenting these two lines, and first run this test case. And inspect this page. And copy the selector. Okay. And saying here driver dot find element by dot css selector and paste it. And as we are checking whether this statement is running or not, I am sending the send keys to this email box. I am saying example@123.com. Okay, so check it. I am running the test case. We are going to google.com and navigate to facebook.com, and here example@123. Okay. So we are covering all the 9 methods of Selenium WebDriver. If you like my video, please comment it, share it, subscribe it. Thanks for watching.